Hello guys, you use my phone Asus ZenFone 5Z. Start unpacking. Open box and look, complectation. In complectation we have protected back cover, device, okay, and headphones, USB Type-C cable and adapter for charging. Okay, that's all. Good compactation with headphones and protected back cover. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of glass and metal. On the front side we have 6.2-inch display, front camera, talk speaker. On the left side slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. This is combined slot. We can use one nano SIM and one micro SD card or two nano SIM. On the left side power key and volume keys. Upside without controls. Downside jack for headphones, USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. On the back side double camera, fingerprint scanner and LED. Okay, turn on device. So display Super IPS Plus. About phone, version Android 8.0.0. Close this, open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. This is octa-core processor 4+4 cores. First 4 cores powerful cores work 2.8 GHz and second 4 cores work 1.7 GHz. GPU Adreno 630, resolution and display PPA. RAM memory 6 GB, Intel memory 64 GB. Look results. CPU speed, CPU test results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Close Geekbench 4. Next, open next test. Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Antutu score, ranking. In ranking, our device top 4 and top 5. Asus ZenFone 5Z, top 4. Okay. Open GTA San Andreas, the minded game. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Offline. Okay. Settings. Max graphic level. And resume game. Game load. Work good. Smoothly. Without lags. Take off. Okay, not bad. Close GTA San Andreas, another game, work very good too. Close this, and now camera. Camera. Front camera 8 megapixels, main camera 11 plus 8 megapixels, double camera. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.